Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, so today we are from Team 2 and we're going to share our project-based learning about Cartesian machine with conventional control. Basically, in this project, we didn't just learn theory, but we actually built the machine. Start from understanding the design, assembly the part, wiring the system, until we tested whether it works or not. This project is supervised by Mr. Sulistiono as our project manager. So, here's our team. We have 5 members, including myself, Iskandar, Feren, Arga, Anissa, and Akbar. So, for today's presentation, this is what we're going to talk about. We start from background and purpose, then we move on to the job test mechanical, job test electrical, then member contribution, final result, what we learned, and lastly, constraint we face and how we solve them. So let's talk about background of this project. Cartesian machines are linear motion systems widely used in industry due to their simple construction and high precision. Through this project-based learning, students learn the principal working of mechanical and electrical systems directly. This project is designed to develop skill in reading technical drawing, machine assembly, and testing through hands-on learning. The next slide will present my Feren.
Next purpose. This project aims to serve as a project-based learning tool so that students can understand the working principle of two-axis Cartesian machine with conventional control. In addition, this project is used to train students in reading technical drawing, assembly precision, mechanical system, and implementing simple electrical control system in practice. Next, Ajay.
Alright, so we're moving on to the mechanical job desk of the project. The first phase we have design, where we redesign the frame of the machine using AutoCAD. And then for the aluminum shaft holder and pencil holder design, we use this app called Inventor. The second phase is fabrication, where we cut the acrylic using a laser cutting technology. And then for the aluminum shaft cutting process, we use a cutting grinder. And then we 3D printed the aluminum shaft holder. The third phase is assembly, where we assembled the machine from the frame and then putting together all the acrylic using glue and then screwing together the whole machine. And then the last phase is testing, where we tested if the machine was sturdy, if it was ready to go and working perfectly. Next. Alright, we're moving on to the electrical job test of the project. We have 5 phases. The first one is selecting electrical components, where we selected and prepared all of the electrical components as listed in the machine specifications. The second one is connecting. This refers to the wiring process of the project, where we connected the battery to the motor, to the push button, and also to the battery using the electrical circuits diagram. And then the third is cable organization. This, as the name suggests, is organizing the cable so it looks tidy, feels safer, it's also easier to maintain and also check. The fourth phase is fixing problems, where we identify and fix all the issues that appear during the assembly or testing of the project. The last phase, as it is in the mechanical part, is testing, where we tested the machine to see if it was sturdy and also stable and there's no issues with the electrical components and making sure it was ready to go. The next part will be done by my colleague.
In this conventional Cartesian project, the mechanical and electrical components are fully completed or 100%. Mechanical include the design, fabrication, assembly, and testing of the machine from until it was ready to be used. Electrical include the component selection, wiring, has been tested and is ready to be used.
From this federal project, we gain a lot of important skills, not only technical, but also from how we work as a team. First, we learn how to analyze an engineering design and plan a project properly through project-based learning. So we didn't just build something randomly, but with clear steps and targets. We also improve our technical skills, especially in starting components, redesigning mechanical design, fabrication, and machine assembly. We also acquire a practical skill in electrical wiring, cable management, system testing, and troubleshooting. We also improve our problem solving and critical thinking skills by identifying errors and implementing them in effective technical solutions. We also improve our teamwork, communication, management, and initiative through the collaborative project execution. Next, please. Now, during this project, we also faced several constraints. The first one was the limited availability of the material and components from the BSP. Our solution proved that we purchase components independently to keep the project on schedule. The second was the adult from cutting aren't very precise, which caused some gaps in the frame. To solve this, we made manual adjustments during the assembly, and the joints are reinforced to minimize gaps. The third was the couple does not fully match the DC motor cell. Our solution was we made a manual modification and adjustment to the motor and shaft coupler to ensure that the motion transmission continues to function properly.
Alright, that's all from us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Oke, jangan tanya ya. Tim satu, tanya.
Okay. On the work different slide, I don't see that your member have the documentation task. So how do you complete the files needed for the output in the legal celebration?
So we actually have something to do the documentation, but we don't put it in the
Jadi jawabannya apa?
sebenarnya Pak, kami ada potensi dalam taraf IPDN, mereka fokus pergi ke elektronika.
Ya. Another question?
Okay, our question is there a reason why you put the battery in front of your project?
If I put the battery on this part, it will misalnya ini sini terus turun dia itu bakal kena baterainya.
Oh, it
Dan kalau mau
Oh.
ke belakang gitu Oke, jadi biar tidak terlalu berekspektasi, sebenarnya ini masih ada gap. Jadi mesinnya bakal baik-baik. Oke. Yeah, that's the demonstration. The machine. Oh, you want? Let me show you the kalau dia ke belakang lagi ya. Forward.
Ada lagi tanya any question ini? Silakan. Mbak, sudah tanya nggak? Sudah ya? Ada lagi nggak ada? Oke, if nothing, if there is no other question, for me can you move the first slide please? Remember this, first slide. Second slide, third slide, our member. Standard ya?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I will ask the number one question. Did you have any plan? Plan? Work plan? The schedule.
We have a schedule in our
But it is not a representation. Yeah, everything good. It means the planning and work is sent across or there is a delay.
Nah, yang nggak tepat waktu soalnya karena ada terhambat dari kemarin komponen juga.
Oh. Then you can handle it or
Ya, we can handle it by the komponen.
If the component is delayed, and then you didn't have any work, any job, so how to handle it? Or you buy a reason, or you working another job?
Pertama kami hanya ada komponen, jadi kami melakukan hal yang lain dulu, siapin buat dokumentasinya. Lalu karena komponennya nggak datang-datang juga, jadi kami beli sendiri ya kita.
Which one?
What is the bearing, battery, what else? Mounting, bulan the bulb.
Okay. Did you feeling objective or not? Maksudnya merasa keberatan ya? Yang biasanya keberatan itu
Ya,
objektif.
sebenarnya keberatan karena kan bawa bilang sendiri kita fokus aja laporan, tapi udah sampai akhir komponennya juga masih gak ada.
Nah, kira-kira berapa? Artinya yang beli sendiri? Kira-kira di total berapa? Yang seperti ini, yang beli sendiri? Kita ada notanya enggak? Ada notanya?
Ada, Pak.
Ada ya? Yang beli sendiri, yang beli sendiri.
sekitar 80 sampai 100 ada sih Pak.
Satu jam 1.000.
80 sampai 100.
80.
Nah ini boleh Pak. 50. Hah? 50.000 atau 100.000?
Kalau kurang lebihnya 50 Pak.
Kurang lebih 50. Yang lainnya?
Karena kebetulan kami emang nggak punya beberapa ini ada yang kami nggak punya Pak. Jadi kan yang hanya yang bisa kami punya kami pakai. Jadi yang selain yang kami nggak punya yang butuh di sini kami beli.
50.000 ya? 100.000.
Iya,
Yang lain juga sama.
Mereka kayaknya lebih
Banyak lagi.
iya Pak. Soalnya mereka ada yang improve, lebih improve, ada yang pakai supply.
Ya udah, nanti saya coba lagi. Ketuanya siapa itu? Iskandar. Iskandar hubungi saya. Nanti di list siapa yang pilih sendiri.
itu harus ada notanya atau
Ya saya percaya aja sama dia.
Beberapa kami ada yang beli online kan satu kelas nih Pak. Ada yang beli online barengan sama saya, baru sama nota untuk skun itu ada juga. Cuma untuk yang kayak baterai lain-lainnya ini ada notanya Pak.
Baterai kalian bawa aja spek. Kan sebenarnya nggak perlu pakai baterai kan, sebenarnya portable aja nggak apa-apa. Kenapa kalian beli baterai?
Karena kami nggak tahu Pak.
Iya, kirain di skematiknya baterai 12 volt Pak.
Itu gambar baterai ya?
Iya, baterai.
Masa sih?
Iya Pak.
Tahu nggak bedanya baterai sama itu?
Mau tahu Pak? Harus kita bantu sebentar.
Ya coba cek dulu ya. Tapi kalau misalnya baterainya saya balikin lagi nggak kami ganti nggak apa-apa? Misalnya kalian pakai aja.
Aman sih Pak.
Ya, kalian boleh lepas. Jadi aset pribadi. Kalau kayak bearing kan nggak mungkin dilepas kan soalnya udah jadi kan. Jadi kami ganti.
Oh, berarti komponen kami yang pribadi gitu masuk ke ini Pak.
Iya, yang kalian beli itu nanti jadi aset prodi kan. Tapi yang kayak baterai kan masih jadi lepas tuh.
Iya.
Kalau kalian pakai lah misalnya buat Tamiya atau apa gitu kan. Iya, ya, pakai baterai. Oke deh. Ya. Berarti emang nggak datang ya? Nanti nextnya kalau proyek kedua itu nggak datang. Kalau mau beli sesuatu info dulu ya. Info dulu ya. Karena aset kita tuh nggak pengen sekalian keluarin duit sendiri. Ya biar kami aja yang beli, jadi kami yang beli. Kalau kalian ambil aja. Gitu ya. Tapi untuk yang ini nanti kalau datang, kalau ada anggarannya kita ada ya. Jadi harapannya ada. Nggak banyak kan? 80.000 ya. Saya kira setara dia 80.000. Nanti kita harus saya. Oke, thank you so much. Overall, sound like the first presenter, very good. You are the semester 1, but you brief tau ya, brief tau ya. Apa? Yeah, you were speaking in English. Even English is not your foreign language or your not native language, but you should try speaking English because our goal is you can contribute in the world, not in Indonesia, in the world. Hopefully in the planet. Yeah. Yes, I think that is all. Thank you very much. And then applause to
Alright, that's all from our presentation. Thank Thank you guys and see you.
Okay.